Over the years, we have identified the different needs of the cleaning industry as a result of various field researches and offered solutions to solve the problems. In this context, we have implemented machine productions that should be included in a washing facility within Euromak and will increase work efficiency. On the Hilal Firca side, we went far beyond being a brush manufacturer as well as a cleaning area and developed designs that are in the position of spare parts in industrial activities. Together with our Mix Kimya company, we have provided the production of cleaning chemicals to be used both at the industrial and domestic level. We gather the performance-oriented, reliable and qualified service power that we have given to you in coordination by our 3 companies under the roof of HLL International. Your reliable and puissant partner, HLL International.